Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Today I'm going to record a day traders vlog on a Thursday. That is the expiry day. So basically for option seller, Thursday is a very important day. So no matter what time you sleep, I slept around 3:30 a.m. in the morning. Whatever it is on Thursday, the alarm will hit at 9 a.m. and I have to get up or else I will miss the opportunity. So I'll just take you through today on my trades, which I've already started. Okay, so I got some time to set up my camera and record this video also. If you see, the market opened gap down today, and that's when I took advantage of this sideways market. The market kept sideways, and that's when I shorted these strikes. 15,950, and I got almost 30,000 DK in the morning itself, and then there was a sudden spike towards the downside. If you see here, so I had drawn a channel here, so it broke out from this level. So I was predicting a non-directional move for option selling, and that's when it broke out from the zone and position started coming down. So I had to close few legs in the put options and book my stop losses. Simultaneously, I took advantage in options buying also. Initially morning, I booked 2 stop losses. So the call option is the one which is giving more profit today because the market is going down from this strike price. If market continues to go further down, that's when I will get advantage on the put options which I have bought in options buying. Right, so if it goes down, we take advantage on put options. That's how we are getting advantage here. Market stays sideways, then we get advantage in our option selling. So we're taking around 444 and 495 currently. Morning the market was sideways, so the guess towards the upside and the downside went wrong. So I had to book my stop losses immediately because I cannot drag my losses in terms of options buying. And finally we got a breakout here, and that's when I took advantage of this options put options, buying put options here in options buying. In terms of my option selling, if you see here, I am non-directional, so therefore as the market is going away from our strike price, we are incurring losses from the opposite side, and that has reduced the overall profit here. But yeah, a few adjustments are made to manage the profit. And today's Thursday is a day where most of the DK happens, and it is very quick in DK. And today if market goes sideways, that's when we get the major advantage as an option seller. So if market is going sideways, we get most of the benefit, and if market moves, then we may incur few losses or reduction in the profit going further. And as well as when the market moves, I try to take advantage in terms of options buying, because in options buying I am a directional trader, predicting the directions and taking advantage with a lesser capital and higher risk. In terms of option selling, I am non-directional. I'm not predicting any directions. I'm just going non-directional. So if market doesn't move much from my strikes, I get the DK. So I'm taking advantage of the DK here and direction in terms of options buying. In middle, yes, I book my stop losses because I don't want to take bigger losses. I'm ready to take small losses. Even if I get 4 to 5 losses back to back, I will end the day with a loss, but I will wait for an opportunity for the next day. So if you see here, the put options over here, I have almost cut down 2 legs here, a quantity of 500 and 500, because as it went down, I had to cut down my stop losses and stop the losses over there and run my profits. In terms of the call option, if you see 15,950, just took advantage of this particular sideways market. So more the market remains sideways today, we get advantage of the DK happening here. And in terms of options buying, we lose money here if you hold on to our positions because of the DK. Yes, in terms of selling, we get advantage of this DK. If there is movement, then we take advantage in buying side, and if there is movement, there will be a reduction in terms of our selling. So trying to balance both. Yes, there will be slippages and a gap between these two. Yes, that I have to take it. That's how market is. We cannot be perfect in the market. So this is how I'm managing. So these are the levels which broke out, and now it is currently trading outside the range. So let's see how our day goes. Well, that's the end of the day, and we have booked overall 26,495. The advantage which we got, the maximum DK. So that was more about options selling. In terms of options buying, so we ended up with 14,000 with that trade, and then few other stop losses back to back. Market kept sideways, so therefore we stopped our trading around 14,000. So that's how a day goes for a trader. So see you soon with one more video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.